Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had started with the explanation of abstract nouns and I had explained and completed exercise 6 and 7 of unit 6 nouns of your English grammar book. Students, today also I'm going to continue with the exercises of abstract noun. So all of you please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 27, unit 6, nouns. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 27 as I'm going to continue with the remaining exercises of abstract nouns of unit 6 nouns. Students, today I'm going to start with exercise 8, that is find the opposites of these abstract nouns from the treasure box and write them in the space provided. Now before I start this exercise 8, let's revise what are abstract nouns. Students, abstract nouns are the name of the qualities or feelings or thoughts. They are not the name of person, place, animal or things. Till now we had studied that nouns are naming things. But here you need to know that abstract nouns are the name of qualities, feelings or thoughts and not the name of person, place, animal or things. जो abstract noun है ये क्वालिटीज के, फीलिंग्स के और थॉट्स के नेम्स है. फाइन, किसी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल के नेम नहीं है. एंड abstract nouns can be only felt. You cannot see or touch them. So you need to keep this in mind. And most of the abstract nouns are uncountable. Then another thing to keep in mind is most of the abstract nouns are uncountable. You cannot count them and they are usually used in singular. Abstract nouns, since they are uncountable, so they'll be used in singular. Now let's start with exercise 8, page number 27. And exercise 8 is find the opposites of these abstract nouns from this treasure box and write them in the space provided. So, the abstract nouns which are given in the treasure box are brave, bravery, depart, strong, free, life, destruction, truth, wisdom, wise, presence, departure, love, kindness, kind, hate, freedom, strength, true. So in this treasure box you can see there are lot of nouns given and we need to find the abstract nouns which will be the opposite of the given words. So the first word which is written is cowardice. Cowardice, the abstract noun is made from the word coward. Coward means the person who is very scared, जिसको कहते हैं ना बहुत डरपोक है ना. So cowardice word coward से बना है. So cowardice is abstract noun and the opposite of cowardice will be bravery. Cowardice, bravery. These are the qualities. ये qualities हैं, है ना? You must have heard the sentence, the soldier was awarded for his bravery. So, the quality of the soldier, bravery, and as we have read that abstract nouns are the names of qualities, feelings and thoughts. Fine. So, cowardice, the opposite of cowardice is bravery. Then the second one is foolishness. Now, foolishness is the word made from the word foolish. Like cowardice is the word made from cowardice, bravery is being made from brave, foolishness has been made from the word foolish, and the opposite of foolishness is wisdom. For example, King Solomon was known for his wisdom. These are the qualities. So, foolishness, wisdom. Then the third word is death. And the abstract noun made from the opposite of death is life. Death, the opposite of death is life, which is made from the word live. So, death, life. Then, the next abstract noun is absence. And the opposite is presence. Absence, presence. Absence, presence. Presence से word present से presence बना है, and from the word absent से absence बना है. Then the fifth word is slavery. गुलामी जिसको कहते हैं. It has been made from the word slave, जिसको गुलाम बोलते हैं. And the opposite of slavery is freedom, which is being made from the word free. So slavery, freedom. Fine. Then the sixth one, falsehood, made from the word false, and the opposite of falsehood is truth. True से truth बना हुआ है. Fine. From the word true, the word truth has been formed. Then the seventh abstract noun is arrival, made from the word arrive. Falsehood false से बना है, true से truth बना है, and arrival has been made from the word arrive. Arrive, arrival. Arrival मतलब किसी का आना. And the opposite of arrival is departure. कहते हैं ना, arrival of the train, departure of the train. So the abstract noun arrival, the opposite is departure. Then the eighth abstract noun is weakness, made from the word weak, and the opposite of weakness is strength. Strong से strength बना है, made from the word strong, strength. Then the ninth word is construction, made from the word construct. The abstract noun construction has been made from the word construct, and the opposite is destruction. Construction मतलब कोई चीज बनाना, और destruction मतलब कोई चीज बिगड़ना. Destruction, destruct से बना है. Construction, construct से बना है. Then the last abstract noun is cruelty, which has been made from the word cruel. Cruelty has been made from the word cruel, and the opposite of cruelty is kindness, made from the word kind. So all of you, please do learn these opposites. They are very important. Fine. So let's revise, children. The opposites of the given abstract nouns. The first one is cowardice. The opposite is bravery. C-O-W-A-R-D-I-C, cowardice. The opposite is bravery. That is B-R-A-V-E-R-Y. Then the second word is foolishness. F-O-O-L-I-S-H-N-E-S-S, foolishness. The opposite is wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M. The third abstract noun is death. D-E-A-T-H, death. And the opposite of death is life. L-I-F-E, life. Then the fourth abstract noun is absence. That is A-B-S-E-N-C-E. And the opposite is presence. P-R-E-S-E-N-C, presence. Then the fifth abstract noun is slavery. S-L-A-V-E-R-Y, slavery. And the opposite is freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom. Then the sixth abstract noun is falsehood. That is F-A-L-S-E-H-O-O-D, falsehood. And the abstract noun is truth. T-R-U-T-H, truth. Then the seventh abstract noun is arrival. A-R-R-I-V-A-L. And the opposite is departure. That is D-E-P-A-R-T-U-R-E, departure. Then the eighth abstract noun is weakness. W-E-A-K-N-E-S-S, weakness. And the opposite is strength. That is S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. The ninth abstract noun is construction. That is C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. And the opposite is destruction. D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. Then the 10th abstract noun is cruelty. C-R-U-E-L-T-Y. And the opposite is kindness. That is K-I-N-D-N-E-S-S. I hope everyone has written, children. So with this, we have finished our exercise 8, children. And now I'm going to erase the board and start with exercise 9. Please be particular about your spellings. This exercise 9 is the last exercise of Unit 6, nouns. Add suitable suffixes. Suffixes are the word which are added after the word. Suffix क्या होते हैं बेटा? Word के जो बाद में हम add करते हैं. Whereas prefix को word के पहले हम add करते हैं. So add suitable suffixes to the word and form abstract nouns. Now, words are given and we need to add suffix and make abstract nouns. Words दिए हैं, उनमें हमको suffix add करना है. Suffix word के बाद में add किया जाता है. For example, kind एक word है. If I add N-E-S-S, so the word formed will be kindness, which is an abstract noun. ये word है, ये N-E-S-S क्या है? This is suffix. And keep in mind कि जो suffix होता है, ये हमेशा word के end में हम add करते हैं. और prefix को हम word के पहले add करते हैं. I'll give one example of prefix also. For example, word is countable. Now, अब प्रीफिक्स इसका मुझे बनाना है, तो मैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल अन है और उसको मैंने काउंटेबल के पहले लगा दिया, तो वर्ड क्या बन गया? अनकाउंटेबल। फाइन। प्रीफिक्स जो है जनरली जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हम ऑपोजिट्स बनाते हैं, तो इसमें अन क्या है? ये प्रीफिक्स है। सो मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन सफिक्स एंड प्रीफिक्स क्या है? सफिक्स एंड ऑफ द वर्ड में हम ऐड करते हैं टू मेक अ न्यू वर्ड, वेयर एज प्रीफिक्स हम वर्ड के पहले ऐड करते हैं। ऐसे याद करो, P फ्रॉम प्रीफिक्स एंड P से पहले, हिंदी का पहले जो है ना, ऐसे आप उसको करो, प है ना, तो याद रहेगा। प्रीफिक्स पहले, सफिक्स बाद में। सो प्रीफिक्स इज एडेड बिफोर द वर्ड एंड जनरली व्हेन यू ऐड प्रीफिक्स इट मेक्स द वर्ड ऑपोजिट। प्रीफिक्स जब भी हम ऐड करते हैं तो हम ऑपोजिट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल काउंटेबल, अनकाउंटेबल, तो प्रीफिक्स जब भी लगता है तो वो वर्ड को ऑपोजिट बनाता है, ठीक है। एंड प्रीफिक्स वर्ड के पहले ऐड, जैसे काउंटेबल वर्ड था, दिस वाज द वर्ड, प्रीफिक्स हमने पहले ऐड किया तो वर्ड क्या हो गया? न्यू वर्ड अनकाउंटेबल, विच इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ द वर्ड जिसके आगे हमने प्रीफिक्स लगाया। वेयर सफिक्स जो है इट इज एडेड एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड टू फॉर्म अ न्यू वर्ड। प्रीफिक्स जनरली व्हेनेवर यू ऐड इट मेक्स द वर्ड ऑपोजिट, ये ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स बनाता है। सो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, प्रीफिक्स वर्ड के पहले लगता है एंड सफिक्स वर्ड के बाद में लगता है। फाइन। एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज हमको सफिक्स लगाना है टू फॉर्म एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। फाइन। सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज डीप। ओके, अब डीप से जब हम सफिक्स लगाएंगे एंड वो सफिक्स क्या होगा? थोड़ी स्पेलिंग्स में चेंज आएगा। डीप में इफ वी ऐड द सफिक्स th, है ना, आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन, ये वर्ड डीप है, इसमें अगर हम th ऐड करेंगे तो जो न्यू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म होगा वो क्या होगा? डेप्थ, गहराई जिसको बोलते हैं। डीप मतलब गहरा और डेप्थ मतलब गहराई, तो ये सफिक्स क्या है? th। सो द वर्ड फॉर्म इज डेप्थ, DE DEPTH, डेप्थ। और डेप्थ कैसे बना? डीप में हमने ये TH क्या है? दिस इज द सफिक्स। Suffix is added at the end of the word to form an abstract noun. तो deep में हमने th ऐड किया तो क्या बन गया? The new word formed is depth. So write depth in the first blank. Okay, then the second word is attract. Fine. अब attract का हमको suffix ऐड करके new abstract noun बनाना है. So look at this. You don't have to write, you need to understand. Attract में I'll add shun. Sorry, ION. तो क्या word बन जाएगा? This is the suffix. तो word क्या बन जाएगा? Attraction. Attraction. ये हमारा word बन गया. Fine. तो हमने ION लगा के, सफिक्स लगा के क्या नया वर्ड बनाया? अट्रैक्शन, विच इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो राइट अट्रैक्शन इन द सेकेंड लाइन. क्लियर? Suffix are added at the end of the word to form new words. Okay. Then the third word is loyal. Fine. ओके, जिसको कहते हैं वफादार, लॉयल है, बहुत वफादार है, कभी भी गद्दारी नहीं करेगा मालिक के साथ. फाइन. डॉग इज अ लॉयल एनिमल, इजंट इट? नाउ वी विल ऐड ty टू द वर्ड लॉयल. तो हमारा जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन सफिक्स इसमें क्या है? विच इज द सफिक्स? ty. सो जो हमारा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म हुआ दैट इज लॉयल्टी. फाइन. लॉयल्टी. जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म हुआ, क्या सफिक्स हमने ऐड किया? ty. सो ty इज व्हाट? द सफिक्स. क्लियर? सो द वर्ड इज लॉयल्टी. क्लियर? Loyalty, loyalty. Clear? Okay. I hope everyone has understood. Now the fourth one. The fourth word is invent. Okay. To the word invent, we will add the suffix ion. So the abstract noun form is invention. हमने suffix ion add किया. So the abstract noun form is invention. Suffix कौन सा है? This is ion. And suffix is added at the end of the word. So our abstract noun form is invention. Clear? Invent. We will add the suffix ion. So the abstract noun form is invention. Then the fifth word is true. Okay. Now, there will be a bit change of spelling in this. Now, the word is true and we will be adding th. But when you write the abstract noun truth, you need to remove the e. So the spelling of the abstract noun will be truth, truth. Keeping in mind कि ये वाला e जो है ये remove हो जाएगा and th is what? The suffix. Clear? So true में हमने suffix th add किया. But there is a change in spelling. जरूरी नहीं कि पूरी spelling ही आती है. There are examples where the spelling is changed. So true plus th suffix add किया तो जो word है that is truth. But we need to keep in mind in the spelling of truth there is no e. So you need to remove the e. Clear? Now the sixth word is equal. Now, to the word equal, we will be adding the suffix ty. ity. क्या हो जाएगा? Abstract noun. Equality. Equal मतलब बराबर और equality means बराबरी. Fine. So, हमने क्या suffix add किया? ity. And हर एक word के लिए different सफिक्स ऐड करते हैं. दैट यू नो. जितना आप पढ़ोगे जितनी आपकी वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव होगी आपको अपने आप पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से वर्ड में कौन सा सफिक्स है. किसी में भी हम ion, ty, ity ऐसे ऐड नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? देयर आर रूल्स व्हिच वी नीड टू नो. सो द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म फ्रॉम द वर्ड इक्वल इज इक्वालिटी. फाइन. आई होप एवरीवन हैज डन. So, from the word deep, the abstract noun form is depth. From the word attract, the abstract noun form is attraction. From the word loyal, the abstract noun form is loyalty. From the word invent, the abstract noun by adding suffix, हमने क्या बनाया? Invention. From the word true, by adding th, we have formed the abstract noun truth. To the word equal, we added ity and have formed the abstract noun equality. Now the seventh one. जो seventh word है, that is die. Fine. अब die से ही क्या बना है? इसमें हम th लगाएंगे. तो क्या हो जाएगा? death. 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 From the word die, है ना? ये डाई में हम th लगाएंगे तो थोड़ा स्पेलिंग में चेंज होगा. आई इसमें रिमूव कर देंगे. death, डेथ. है ना? सो ये कुछ ग्रामर के रूल्स है ना? अब ऐसा क्यों है? दिस तो nobody has got an explanation, but there are certain rules which we need to follow. वर्ड डाई है, इसमें th लगाएंगे तो जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन फॉर्म होगा दैट विल बी डेथ. दैट इज death. स्पेलिंग में चेंज है, सो यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ इफ somebody asks you कि abstract noun death is from which word? So immediately you should recall that the word is die. Clear? Now, the eighth one. The word is treat. Now, to form the abstract noun from the word treat, which suffix we'll add? We'll add ment. Treat plus ment. Treat में हम क्या add करेंगे? ment. So the abstract noun formed will be treatment. Clear? This is the abstract noun and this is the suffix. So the abstract noun we'll write over here will be treatment. T-R-E-A-T, treat, and M-E-N-T, ment. Yeah? Now the ninth word is popular. Now, to the word popular, we will be adding the suffix I-T-Y. तो क्या word हो जाएगा? Popularity. The abstract noun form is popularity. ठीक है? Write popularity over here. So popular से कौन सा abstract noun form हुआ? Popularity. Clear? Now, the 10th one. This I hope everyone knows. Wise. And from the word wise, हम क्या करेंगे? इसमें कौन सा सफिक्स ऐड करेंगे? दैट इज DOM. ई रिमूव हो जाएगा. वाइज में हम सफिक्स DOM ऐड करेंगे. So the abstract noun form will be wisdom. We need to keep in mind कि आपको इस ई को रिमूव कर देना है. So वाइज से जो abstract noun बना वो क्या बना? Wisdom. Fine. So wise से जो abstract noun form हुआ, that is wisdom. Then the 11th one. The word is blind. Now we will add the suffix NESS. Blind में हम कौन सा suffix add करेंगे? NESS. So the abstract noun form will be blindness. Clear? So this is the abstract noun form. So we'll write blindness over here. Clear? Now the last one, and the word is move. Move is the word. To move word, we will be adding the suffix ment. ये suffix है. तो abstract noun जो form होगा, what will be that? That will be movement. Fine. So we write movement over here. ment is the suffix added to the word move. Clear? So with this, we have finished our 9th exercise, the last exercise of unit 6, nouns. Let's revise. Word on the left side and जो हमने right side में लिखा, that is the abstract noun formed by adding suffix to the word. Deep, the abstract noun formed is depth. Attract, the abstract noun formed is attraction. Loyal, the abstract noun formed is loyalty. Fourth, invent, the abstract noun formed is invention. Fifth, true, the abstract noun formed is truth. Fifth, equal, the abstract noun form is equality. Seventh, die, the abstract noun form is death. 8, treat, the abstract noun form is treatment. 9, popular, the abstract noun form is popularity. 10th, wise, the abstract noun form from the word wise is wisdom. The 11th word is blind. The abstract noun formed is blindness. And the 12th word is move. From the mood, by adding suffix meant, we have formed the abstract noun movement. So I hope everyone has done exercise 9. Students, please do learn the suffix which are to be added to the particular word. हर किसी word में कोई भी हम suffix नहीं add कर सकते. You need to keep this in mind. There are certain rules, and if you turn the page, you can see those rules. Fine. So that's all for today. Please do learn and revise all the taught exercises of Unit 6 noun, students. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.